Hello, hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are diving into how to use data clustering in Tableau. For this task, we will be working with an Excel file called Sample Superstore, which Tableau provides. It's just like the datasets you would find in the real world. First off, let's take a look at our orders data. It's packed with lots of information or attributes like order ID, date, sale, profits, and so on. Basically, it's all the stuff you would find in the store's records. We will start by looking at the relationship between sales and profits. I'll show you how to set it up so we can see how they relate to each other. Put them on columns and rows. Then we will spice things up a bit by adding product names to the mix. I'll even change the way the data points look to make it easier to see. I'll choose full circle from here. Next, we will dive into the analytics part of Tableau. We will use a tool called cluster to group our data into different clusters. Tableau usually starts with 2 clusters. As we can see here, we have 2 clusters, one blue and one orange. But we can change that to see what happens. Let's make it 3, for example. It's pretty cool to see how the data gets divided up. If we see something that doesn't quite fit, like an outlier similar to this one here, we might need to tweak the number of clusters. For example, if we increase it to 4 clusters, we might get a clearer picture. Now let's try something different. We will go back to the beginning, and this time we will look at sales data by state. We will use clustering again to see if we can find any interesting patterns. We can play around with the number of clusters to see what works best for your analysis. Let's make it 3, then 4, 5, 6. It's all about finding the right balance. Finally, let's add another layer to our analysis by bringing product names back into the mix. This will give us even more insights into our sales data. And that's a wrap for our video. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the data clustering in Tableau. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.